Got hit with the PDT flag on Robinhood? Let's fix that and get your trading back on track. PDT or pattern day trader gets triggered when you make 4 or more day trades in 5 business days on a margin account with under 25k. To remove it, you can either wait for a 5 days window to pass, deposit enough to hit the 25k mark, or switch to a cash account. Keep in mind, switching to a cash account will delay your buying power until trades fully settle, but you'll avoid PDT restrictions. Ever been surprised by this flag before? Let's talk in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.